Hello students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well and good. Today I am going to discuss with you some revision questions from the lesson Indigo. As you know that our unit test is going to take place in the month of August. So therefore I am going to discuss with you these multiple choice questions and these are the questions and the answer I will tell you at last, at the end, when actually I ask all the questions. So one by one I will give you the answers, but at the last. Okay? So Indigo, you know it very well. The lesson is about Gandhiji's life, and it is written by Louis Fisher. When did Gandhiji go to Lucknow? Option A, December 1917, B, October 1916, C, February 1917, D, December 1916. Next question, what did he go to Lucknow for? To attend the annual convention of the INC, to meet Rajendra Prasad, to look into the shareholders' problems, to go to Champaran via Lucknow. Third question, what was the full name of the peasant from Champaran? A. J.B. Shukla, B. Rajkumar Shukla, C. Rajkumar Shukla, Ramkumar Shukla, D. Roopkumar Shukla. Fourth question. In 1917, Gandhi and Shukla boarded a train in Calcutta for A. Patna, B. Ahmedabad, C. Kanpur, D. Champaran. Fifth question. Shukla led to Gandhiji to the house of a lawyer who later became the President of India. He was A. J.P. Kirpalani, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Zakir Hussain, D. Mahadev Desai. Now sixth question. Gandhi decided to obtain complete information about the go first to conditions of Champaran. A. Patna, B. Calcutta, C. Muzaffarpur, D. Lucknow. Who received Gandhi at the Muzaffarpur station? A. Shukla, B. J.B. Kirpalani, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Nehru. Next question. Gandhi, the lawyers for collecting big fees from the sharecroppers. A. Condoned, B. rebuffed, C. chided, D. admired. Next question. What were the places visited by Gandhi between his first meeting with Shukla and his arrival at Champaran? Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur. B. Calcutta, Patna, Gaya, Muzaffarpur. C. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Gaya, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur. D. Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Patna and Muzaffarpur. Now next question. What did peasants pay the British landlords as rent? A. 25% of the crop. B. Indigo. C. 50% of their produce. D. 10% of their indigo produce. 11. So now next question. What did the British landlords earn from the peasants after synthetic indigo was developed? A. Indigo as rent. B. 15% of produce. C. Money as compensation. D. A new settlement. Next question. What would be the impact of synthetic indigo? A. Prices of natural indigo would go down. B. Sharecroppers would lose their land. Next. C. British landlords would trouble them further. D. Demand for natural indigo would increase. Now next question. Question number 13. Where is Champaran district situated? In the southwest of Odisha. B. In the foothills of the Himalayas in Bihar. C. In the northeast of Odisha. D. In the south of Bihar. Next question 14. What did the peasant of Champaran grow? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Cotton. D. Indigo. Next question. Why was Gandhi not permitted to draw water from Rajendra Prasad's well? A. The servants thought Gandhi was another peasant. B. As Rajendra Prasad was not at home. C. Gandhi looked like a vagabond. D. Gandhi was a Harijan. Next question. How did Gandhi begin his mission in Champaran? A. He chided the lawyers. B. He tried to get the facts. C. He met the peasants. D. He met the commissioner. Next question. What happened when Gandhi visited the secretary of British Landlords Association? A. The secretary proceeded to bully him. B. The secretary advised him forthwith to leave Tirhut. C. The secretary said that they could not give any information to an outsider. D. Secretary was very helpful. Now next question. What did the British official commissioner advise Gandhi? A. To leave Tirhut. B. Proceed to Motihari. C. To go to the secretary of British Landlords Association. D. To consult lawyers. Next question. Next question. After Tirhut, where did Gandhi go? So Lucknow. A. Lucknow. B. Motihari. C. Kanpur. D. Ahmedabad. Next question. Who accompanied Gandhi to the capital of Champaran? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Shukla. C. Lawyers. C. Several lawyers. D. Crowd of peasants. Next question. Why did Gandhi start out on the back of an elephant? A. A peasant had been maltreated in a village nearby. He set out. Next option. He set out to meet the secretary of British Landlords Association. C. He set out to meet British official commissioner. D. He was summoned by Sir Edward Gate, the lieutenant governor. Now question number 22. What did the police superintendent messenger serve Gandhi? A. An invitation. B. An official notice. C. Summon to appear in court. D. An arrest warrant. Okay, now next question. How did Gandhi behave with the official outside the court? A. Demonstrated his power. B. Was firm and absolute. C. He said that he would disobey the order. D. Cooperated with them. Now next question. What was the beginning of the liberation from fear of the British? A. The people gathered in large numbers. B. The support of lawyer. C. Gandhi's presence. D. The prevailing laws. Now next question. The magistrate asked Gandhi to furnish bail for minutes. A. 30. B. 60. C. 90. D. 120. Okay, now next question. Gandhi was informed by the magistrate that the case A. had been dropped. B. had been postponed. C. was a weak one. D. would be heard immediately. Now next question. Who were ready to follow Gandhi into jail? A. Peasants. B. Lawyers. C. Shukla. D. JB Kriplani. Okay, now next question. How many patients deposed? How many patients deposed? A. About 100. C. About 10,000. B. About 1,000. D. About 100,000. Now next question. 29. Gandhi was summoned by the Lieutenant Governor. A. Sir Edward Cate. B. Sir Henry Cate. C. Sir Richard Andrews. D. Sir Pierre Andrews. Okay, now next question. How many times did Gandhi meet the Lieutenant Governor? A. 4 times. B. 6 times. C. 8 times. D. 10 times. Okay, now next question. What amount of the repayment did the big planters think Gandhi would demand? A. Repayment in full. B. Double the payment. C. 50% of the amount. D. No payment, just an apology. Okay, now next question. 32. What was the result of Gandhi's meeting with the Lieutenant Governor? A. The Lieutenant Governor rejected Gandhi's plea. B. An official commission of inquiry was appointed. C. Compensation of 25% was set. D. The Lieutenant Governor dropped the cases against Gandhi. Now next question. For how long did Gandhi remain in Champaran? A. 7 weeks. B. 3 months. C. 1.5 years. D. 7 months. Okay, now next question. Gandhi asked the big planters for percent refund to the peasant. 10%. B. 25%. C. 50%. D. 65%. Okay, now next question. The representatives of the planters offered to refund percent to the peasant. A. 5%. B. 10%. C. 20%. D. 25%. Why did Gandhi appeal for teachers to remove the cultural and social backwardness? B. To increase the literacy standard. C. He did not trust teachers of Champaran. D. He contented himself with large political and economic solution. Now next question. Who volunteered to work in Champaran? A. 2 disciples of Gandhi and their wives. B. Kasturba and the eldest son of Gandhi. C. Mahadev Desai and his wife. D. Narhari Prasad and his wife. Now next question. Kasturba taught rules of A. Learning mathematics. Basic learning mathematics. B. Personal cleanliness. Disobedience were D. Civil disobedience were. Now the next question is health conditions in Champaran. A. Miserable. B. Tolerable. C. Under control. D. Fairly good. Okay, now next question. So what lesson did Gandhi teach by opposing Andrews' state in Champaran equals? A. British could not be trusted. B. Self-reliance. C. Disobedience. Civil disobedience. D. A fight should always be amongst. Okay, student, now I am going to tell you the answer from the beginning. The first answer is D. December 1916. Second, A. To attend the annual convention of the INC. 3. B. Rajkumar Shukla. 4th, Patna. 5. Rajendra Prasad. 6th, Muzaffarpur. 7th, JB Kriplani. 8. Chided. 9th, Kanpur, Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Patna, Muzaffarpur. 10th, B. Indigo. 11th, C. Money as compensation. 12th, A. Prices of natural indigo would go down. 13. B. In the foothills of the Himalayas in Bihar. Next answer 14. D. Indigo. 15. A. The servant thought Gandhi was another peasant. 16th, B. He tried to get the facts. 17. The secretary said that they could not give any information to an outsider. Now next, 18. A. To leave Tirhut. 19. B. Motihari. 20. C. Several lawyers. 21. A patient had been maltreated in a village nearby. Now next, 22. B. An official notice. 23. D. Cooperated with them. Now next answer is 24. A. The people gathered in large numbers. Now next answer is 25. D. 120. Now 26. A. Had been robbed. Now 27. B. Lawyers. 28. C. About 10,000. Now 29. Sir Edward Gate. 30. A. 4 times. 31. Or repayment in full. 32. B. An official commission of inquiry was appointed. 33. 7 months. Now 34. 50. C. 50. Now 35. D. 25. 36. To remove the cultural and social backwardness. 37. 2 disciples of Gandhi and their wives. 38. Personal cleanliness. Now 39. A. Miserable. 40. B. Self-reliance. Okay, now students, so I complete this video with this, that key. Wish you all best of luck and prepare your online test fully and wholeheartedly study, and if any problem, you can call me, you can send messages through WhatsApp, you can write in the comment box. So thank you very much for listening. Okay, God bless you all. Thank you very much.